sure friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your quantitative aptitude class. This will be in the class 61 where we had discussed about 60th classes here in the sessions, and in talking about the quantitative aptitude. So we had started with arithmetical ability where we had done many of the topics, that has been, as you can see, that operations on numbers, LCF and SCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots. After that we had done your averages, and we had done problems on numbers, problems on ages, stars and indices, and percentage. That has been the 10th topic that we are dealing here itself. Let's go ahead for the same, and that has been the question is being asked: if A's salary is 20% less than B's salary, by how much percent is B's salary more than A's here? This has been the first question of the session, and that is for percentage. It has been your 43rd question of the sessions as well, and this has been the important one, as I told you beforehand only. And you can go ahead. Before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. So in terms of it, we'll go ahead for the same. With the same, we'll go ahead for the same, and that what we have to find out and the answer solution for the same as well. So being that we have your questions here, and that what we have to talk about it, and as I told you beforehand only. So 43rd question of the session, that has been the important one here. The question is, as I told you, if A's salary is 20% less than B's salary, by how much percent is B's salary more than A's here? This is we have, so we'll find out for the solution for the same, and that has been the important one as well. So we'll go ahead here, and as I told you many times here in the exam, before the class as well and after the class as well, the duration of the class, that you have to first listen, you have to first understand the question, and according to the question what that demanded on, and then accordingly you have to act on it, and you have to answer it out as well. So we'll go ahead for this particular question. We have to go ahead with the solution for the same. So required percentage, required percentage is equals to, that is being 20 upon 100 minus 20 into 100%, will have your, that is being equals to 25%. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question, that is being we have to talk about it, and that is being the another important one, and that is being the 44th question of the sessions as well. So the question we have here: how many kgs of pure salt must be added to 30 kg of 2% solutions of the salt and water to increase it to 10% solution as well? How many kg of pure salt must be added to 30 kg of 2% solution of salt and water to increase it to a 10% solution? This has been asked in math examination paper as well. That has been the important one here. So we'll go ahead for the solution for the same. That has been the important one. So here it is: amount of salt or in 30 kg solution is equals to 2 upon 100 into 30 kg, which is equals to 0.6 kg. Same for that, let x kg of pure salt be added here. So for that, then 0.6 plus x upon 30 plus x is equals to 10 upon 100 is equals to 60 plus 100 x equals to 300 plus 10x, which is being equals to 60 plus 100, that is being the 160, that is 60, and that is being the x is gone here, so it will be 90x, and equals to this will come here, so it will be 240 as well, that is being representing here as well. So for the same, it is being x equals to 8 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 3 as well. Now we'll go ahead for the next, we'll have to talk about it, that is being the another question as well, which is being representing the 45th question of the sessions here. The question being said here is, due to the reduction of 61/4% in the price of sugar, a man is able to buy 1 kg more for rupees 120. Find the original and reduced rate of sugar as well. So this is being important too. Due to a reduction of 61/4% in the price of sugar, a man is able to buy 1 kg more for rupees 120. Find the original and reduced rate of sugar. That's what we have to talk about it. So we'll go ahead for the same as well. So in the same cases, let's go ahead for this, that is being the let original rate be rupees x per kg, reduced rate equals to rupees 100 minus 25.4 into 1 upon 100x equals to rupees 15x upon 16 per kg. 20 15x upon 16 minus 120 upon x equals to 1. So 128 upon x minus 120 upon x equals to 1. So x equals to 8. So original rate equals to rupees 8 per kg. Reduced rate equals to rupees 8 is equal to 15 upon 16 into 8. The per kg, which is equals to rupees 7.50 per kg, that we have here. Now we'll talk about the another question that we have to talk about here is the 46th question of the sessions as well. So for the same, in an examination, 35% of the total students failed in Hindi, 45% failed in English, and 20% in both. So find the percentage of those who passed in both the subject here. That's what we have to talk about it. So we'll go ahead for the same. In an examination, 35% of total students failed in Hindi, 45% failed in English, and 20% in both. Find the percentage of those who passed in both the subjects here. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that what we have to talk about it. And for the same, we'll go ahead here, which is being let A and B be the sets of students who failed in Hindi and English respectively. Then n of A equals to 35, n of B equals to 45, n of A intersection B equals to 20, A union B, n of A plus n of B is minus n A intersection B equals to 35 plus 45 minus 20, which is equals to 60. So percentage failed in Hindi or English or both equals to 60%. Hence, percentage passed equals to 100 minus 60%, that is equals to 40%. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, and that is being the important one as well. So which is being your the 47th question of the sessions here, and that is being the important too. So we'll go ahead for the question here, and the question is, in an examination 80% of the student passed in English, 85% in the mathematics, and 75% in both English and mathematics. If 40% students failed in both the subjects, find the total numbers of students here. So in an examination 80% of student passed in English, 85% in mathematics, and 75% in both English and mathematics. If 40 students failed in both the subject, find the total number of students that we have to talk about it. So here we go ahead for the solution for the same here, and that is being the important. And as I told you, this will be in the that is your 47th question of the sessions here. We'll go ahead for the same. So for the same, we have a 47th solution for this. It will be was in the form of, let the total number of students be x, let the total number of students be X. Let A and B represent the set of students who passed in English and mathematics respectively. Thus, number of students that passed in one or both the two subjects, that is we have n A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n A intersection B equals to 80% of X plus 85% of that will be 85% of X minus 75% of X, which is being equals to here is 80 upon 100 X minus 85 upon 100 X, 75 upon 100 X, that is being equals to 9 upon 10 X. That will be the right answer, but we'll go ahead further. It will be students who failed in both the subjects equals to X minus 9x upon 10 equals to X upon 10. So X upon 10 equals to 40 or X equals to 400. Hence, total number of students equals to 400. That will have as an answer here. Now we will be going ahead further, which we'll talk about it, and that is when the another one is your 48 question of the session, and that is being the important as well. So we'll go ahead with 48 question of the sessions here. 48 question of the sessions, we go ahead here for the same. The question is the ratio 5:4 expressed as percent equals here. So this has been asked in SSC examination paper. I just write it down here. Ratio 5:4 expressed as a percent equals, this has been asked in SSC examination paper. The options for the same we have is 12.5%, 40% and 80% and 125% as well. So that what we have to talk about it, and that has been the important one as well. So here for the same we'll find out the answer for the same, that what we have to answer it out here. So we'll go ahead. 5:4 is equals to 5/4 equals to 5/4 into 100, and which is being equals to 2 to the 4, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 here, 25 5s are, as you know also well, 25% here. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead with another question, and another important one, that is being the 49th question of the sessions here, which is being important too. So that is 3.5 can be expressed in the terms of percentage, as this has been asked in RRB examination paper. So 3.5 can be expressed in terms of percentage as. This has been asked in RRB examination paper, and that has been the important one here. So of the options for the same is 0.35%, 3.5%, 35%, and 350% here. So we'll find out the solution for the same as well. So we'll go ahead. 3.5 equals to 35.10. We remove the decimal, we'll increase the zeros into the down. 35 upon 10 into 100, so it will be in 0 being cancelled by 0 here. So 35 into 10 is your, of course, 350. So that has been 350 will be the right, 350% will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead further, which we'll talk about it, and that has been the another question here is your 50th question of the sessions as well. Question is half of 1% written as decimal is. This has been asked here, is been in SSC examination paper. So the options we have 0.005, 0.05, 0.02 and 0.2. So for the same we have to talk about it. We'll go ahead here. 1 by 2% is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 upon 100 equals to 0.5 on 100. पॉइंट हटाएंगे, 0 बढ़ा देंगे, सो इट विल बी लाइक दैट. 3 zeros हम जो पुट करेंगे, इट विल बी 0.005. that will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another one that has been the 51st question of the sessions as well, and that has been the important one. What is 15% of rupees 34? What is 15% of rupees 34? This has been asked in IMT examination paper, and that has been the important one as well. The options we have rupees 3.40, rupees 3.75, rupees 4.50, and rupees 5.10. For the same we talk about it here only, and that has been 15% of rupees 34 equals to rupees 15 upon 100 into 34 that we have. When we'll cancel it out further, it will be equals to rupees 5.10 that we have here, and that will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will be moving ahead, and that will discuss the last question of the sessions as well, that has been the 52th question of the sessions here. In the same cases we will be having your answers. That being the question is 63% of 3, 4 by 7 is. This has been the question here, and the options we have 2.25, 2.40, 2.50, and 2.75 here, and that has been the important question as well. So we'll be going ahead for the same, and as I told you, there is many questions we have to discuss about it. So for the same we will be going ahead for the solution for here, and that has been to be as follows. 63% of 3, 4 by 7 is equals to 63 upon 100 into 25 upon 7 is equals to, which is being 25 1s are 25, 25 4s is your 100, and 7 1s are 7, 7 9s are 63. So 9 upon 4 it will be, and then when we reciprocal it out, it is 4 upon 9, and it has been your 2.25 that is we have as an answer here. So that is will be the right answer for this question as well. So we'll go ahead with the next question. We'll cover up in the next coming class. So here we'll be ending it up. Before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, we talk about it. So yes, other than this, we are dealing with many of different questions here. In terms of coming towards, that has been, we had completed your which has been your that has been sociology and software engineering. And in chemistry we had done your unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9 as well. And after that we had done your conversions, we had done your logarithms, as well as we had done your that is been after logarithm, after conversions, we had done your which is we had on your that is the atomic number, symbols and elements, and of course molar masses as well. After talking about that, we are dealing with the understanding the human being comprehensively and human aspirations and its fulfillment. Where we had completed unit 1, which is introduction, unit 2 understanding the human being and its expansion, and now we are dealing with the unit 3, which is being the activities of the self here, and after completing with respect towards your unit 4 and unit 5 as well. Coming towards reasoning, reasoning has been divided into two sections, which has been the verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning, where we had completed a gender mental ability and the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning, we had completed a series analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice, and dot situation. That is the further topic we'll discuss here. After talking about that, coming towards the quantitative aptitude, yes, quantitative aptitude has been divided into two sections, which has been the arithmetical ability and the logic data interpretation. In arithmetical ability, we had on your operations on numbers, reciprocal and LCM of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, sorts and indices, and percentage that we are dealing here, which has been the 10th topic, of course. After completing that, we'll discuss about the profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems on trains, boards and streams, allegations or mixtures, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, permutation and combination, probability to discount, bankers discount, heightened test, on and out series as well. In data interpretation, we will discuss about the tabulation, bar graphs, pie charts and line graphs as well. So here we'll be ending it up, and it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go ahead with subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than that, as I told you many times here in the examination paper, that all the questions being the important one. Now we'll do the one last question as well, so that it will be at least that is in the 53rd question of the session. So the question is 88% of 370 plus 24% of 210 minus question mark is equals to 180. This has been the question is being asked in your bank PO question paper as well, and that has been the important one as here, that what we have to discuss here. In terms of it, the options for the same is 256, 258, 268 and to 358 as well. So we'll go ahead here for the same, and that is being the important one. So with the same cases, we go ahead, and as I told you many times here in the examination paper, that we will be surely doing the, more than 200 questions here. So we'll go ahead for the same and we'll solve it out. Let us let 88% of 370 plus 24% of 210 minus x equals to 118, then x equals to 88 upon 100 into 370 plus 24 upon 100 into 210 minus 118 equals to 325.60 plus 50.40 minus 118, so it is equals to 376 minus 118, and that will get is 258. That will be the right answer for this question as well. So this is being what we have to solve it out. So the rest of the question will deal in the next coming class, and that has been the important one here. And for the same we will be having have to do it. So it's a huge request, a huge and a deep request from you all. Please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel, because your support is very important to us, because your support is very important to us. Your appreciation and your suggestions is also very important to us. And please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give your suggestion on the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for supporting us, and we will be surely apply whatever you are requested. We will surely upload that. You can just tell me on a comment section. Thank you.